What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD back with yet another review, and today we're going to be talking about one of the dopest colorways of the Yeezy 500 to release so far, and that is the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. What's up, you guys? If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. Most people call me JD. If you enjoy honest sneaker reviews, sneaker content, all that good stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button for more content, and of course hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. You know, it pushes up the video up that YouTube algorithm, definitely helps your boy out. So hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and of course follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. I do drop a lot of content on there as well, so make sure you follow your boy. Now let's get into the video. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you already know my favorite Yeezy so far is definitely the Yeezy 500. I love that silhouette, and I love a lot of things about the shoe, including the quality and just the overall look of the shoe. I'm just a very big fan of the Yeezy 500s, and I've been championing the shoe for a long time. However, if there's one thing I don't like about the Yeezy 500s, it's all the different colorways that keep dropping that look pretty much exactly the same as the OG pair. So I do have the OG pair right here. This is the blush colorway. Still one of the most worn sneakers in my collection, still one of my favorite sneakers. And yeah, pretty much every colorway of this sneaker that followed up this release looked pretty much just like this one. So you had that super moon yellow, you had the gray or the salt pair, and then you also had that bone white pair, which in my opinion is just almost identical to the blush. So I don't understand what Yeezy brand was doing there, releasing all these sneakers that look pretty much exactly the same. It's just different shades of beige in my opinion. So, I mean, we did have that black pair as well, which was different, but you guys know how I feel about triple black sneakers. Hint, they suck. So I wasn't a big fan of pretty much any other colorway that dropped after this OG pair. So it's really dope to finally see a completely out there colorway, a colorway that looked like nothing else that dropped before, and that is this pair right here, the Soft Visions. And let me just say, guys, like having these in hand, this is a very, very, very nice shoe. This is a dope colorway. If you are a fan of the 500s and you are looking for something new, you got it. It's this pair right here. You know what, it's probably not the colorway that you were hoping for. Maybe you were hoping for, like, I don't know, a blue pair or a red pair, something like that. You probably weren't hoping for a pink one. But yeah, this is what we got right here. I'm just happy that we finally got a colorway that looks different. I will say though, basically in all the promo pics for this sneaker, the shoe did look pink in all of those pictures. Having these in hand though, I will say it's not pink. It's much more of a light purple. I would call it a lavender purple. At least that's what I felt yesterday when I got the pair. This morning actually though, like when I was looking at this sneaker in some low lighting, it does kind of look pinkish from some angles. So it's really hard to actually describe this colorway for you. Like the best way to describe it, I would say, would be a purplish pink, if that makes sense. I'm sorry if that just confuses you guys even more, but that's what it looks like to me. It is leaning more on the purple side though than pink. I'm not mad though that the shoe doesn't look that pink, because I do really like however this turned out, this purplish pink lavender color. And I mean, if you guys out there, you know, have a thing with, you know, not wearing pink or pink not being a very guy-friendly color, I think that's just plain ridiculous in my opinion. I mean, like, I think it's just ridiculous that there are guy colors and girl colors. Like, I think it's totally cool to rock pink. It's totally cool to rock these lighter shades of purple. And I don't have any other sneaker in my whole collection that is anywhere close to this type of colorway. So I'm pretty happy to cop this, and yeah, I'm very happy to add this to the collection. Getting into the sneaker itself, the materials on the sneaker, and I've said this before guys, but for $200, you're getting a very high quality shoe, almost like a luxury shoe in my opinion, because the materials used on this shoe are just top notch. So you have this hairy suede that covers the toe box. There's also these panels that you see on the shoelace area. And you also have more suede panels across the back of the shoe. And I just really like how that suede feels. It's like it's not like a soft suede, it's kind of like a rough suede. but I just really like how it looks. It's got like this hairy kind of texture to it. In addition to that, you have this really thick mesh panels that cover the entire top of the shoe, as well as the tongue. And this is gonna be, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the last colorway that has this mesh material of the 500, because the new, I believe, a stone colorway that's dropping later on in the month of November, that particular pair has different materials, so you won't see the mesh panels on it. Instead, you will see what looks like a kind of neoprene or like some kind of synthetic material on there, which I don't think, at least in pictures, I don't think it looks as good as this mesh, these mesh panels. The outsole of this sneaker is made out of Adidas technology, which is a very old technology from Adidas. It's from the early 90s. And the outsole of this sneaker was in fact inspired by a basketball sneaker that Adidas released early on in the 90s. And this Adidas technology, guys, you won't be missing Boost at all, because Adidas is super comfortable. I love wearing this shoe. I can wear it all day and I don't have any issues with comfort. This is just a very, very, very comfortable shoe. In addition to this comfy outsole, the sneaker also comes with an Ortholite insole just for that added bit of comfort. When it comes to fit, these sneakers fit me absolutely true to size, and that is my recommendation for you guys. Just go true to size and they will fit just fine. Normally with other Yeezy sneakers, so with the Yeezy 350 V2s, for example, I always go a half size up. So just for sizing reference, go, well, basically like a half size down from your Yeezy 350 size. This particular pair was surprisingly hard to cop, and then when I looked further into it, I looked at some of the release details. It turned out that this colorway is actually the most limited Yeezy 500 to release so far. It did have the lowest amount of pairs worldwide. So that is why this sneaker pretty much sold out instantly within seconds all over the world, and it was impossible. There was no restocks or anything, so it was really hard to cop this sneaker. I did manage to hit on the Adidas website, so shout out to Adidas for, I actually really like the way Adidas releases sneakers with that whole waiting room thing. I've usually never had too much of a problem copying sneakers from the Adidas website, but maybe that's because I do live out here in Germany and there are a lot of pairs released in the market that I live in. But yeah, I didn't have a problem copying this. I even managed to cop another pair of these from using my girlfriend's Adidas account in her size. But yeah, so I did manage to cop actually 2 pairs of this shoe. Seeing that this was the most limited Yeezy 500 to release so far, if you guys did cop this for resale, I do think that the resale prices are gonna definitely go up over time just because of how limited this sneaker was, especially if you manage to cop it in those smaller sizes. As you guys know, like this colorway is gonna be very popular with the ladies, and the smaller sizes are definitely gonna have the highest amount of resale. And yeah, and because of the nature of how limited this sneaker is, I do see resale prices going up over time. As with all the 500s, like you can look at most of the 500s, look at the smaller sizes and look at the resale on StockX right now. Most of them are way more than double actually. So yeah, definitely good sneaker to invest in. I want to know your thoughts, guys. Let me know down below. What did you guys think of this sneaker right here, the Yeezy 500 in the soft vision colorway? Let me know what I want to especially know, like which one of my male subscribers are going to be rocking this shoe, because I think it is a dope sneaker. Whether you're a guy, whether you're a girl, this is a very dope sneaker to rock. So leave your comments down below. What do you guys think of this sneaker? And that's pretty much my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is @JDKick6. And if you like the video, once again, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Until next time, guys, peace.